Secure long, thick hair into a twisted bun with one chignon pin. Start by gathering hair into a low ponytail. Start twisting the hair tightly until it starts to coil back onto itself. Then wrap the hair up and around itself to form a bun using your fingers to mark the center. Continue twisting as you wrap. Take the chignon pin and insert the forks into the edge of the bun. Then flip the pin so you catch some of your scalp hair and gently push the legs of the pin through the bun. You should feel the chignon pin along your scalp. Keep your fingers on the other side of the bun and feel for when the forks poke through the other end and through the side of the bun. This should feel nice and secure. It may take a couple of tries to ensure you catch enough of the scalp hair and the bun hair for a secure hold. If desired, gently tug at the base of hair for a looser style. A secure bun on long and thick hair using one chignon pin. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.